Hey, here we are back on a Wednesday, and I have a Bigsby loaded Epiphone. What appears to be a, what model is this? It is a Rivera P93WR. Yeah. This instrument is getting new pickups. I'm about to pull these out of here, and one of the most fun things to do when working on an instrument like this is to solder through this hole, which I have become very good at. Now, I joke, if you've ever worked on one of these before, getting a soldering gun down through here and the solder and then being able to get to the back side of the, you can imagine. And so I've got a lot of work to do on this bad boy. This is going to be a fairly time-consuming project. And what we have are 3 new pickups. I'll lay them out for you. That is a 7.5 k-ohm pickup. I have, let me see if I can do this for you so you can see them. I have a set of a 7.5 and a 9.46. So this is going to go neck position, middle position, and bridge position. And I do have one more pickup that is a 6.9 k-ohm pickup. And he wanted to go with hotter instead of cold, medium, hot. So that is the project I have on my plate today. And we'll get this baby dialed in and get her done ASAP. Let's see if I can knock the spring out of there. Gold hardware. Who would have known? Peace, y'all. Have a wonderful day.